Okay, it's fall again. Who's ready for a reduced sugar pumpkin spice latte? I know I am. I'm gonna start by turning on my tea kettle and getting my milk frothed. So I'm gonna start with some plant milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, whatever kind of milk you want. I always add hot water to my lattes just so I can bump up the liquid and keep the calories down. Made my 1 shot of espresso, and here it is. Just gonna add that into the coffee cup here. Here are the ingredients for my pumpkin simple syrup. We have coconut palm sugar, pumpkin puree, a little pumpkin spice, and water. Now, most simple syrups are 1 for 1, 1 part sugar, 1 part liquid. What I'm doing, I'm reducing the sugar so we have half the amount of sugar as we do water. All right, so we're just gonna put everything into a saucepan until it all melds together nicely, and then we're gonna let it reduce, cool, and then once it's cooled, we're gonna strain out that pumpkin puree, get all that thick pumpkin parts out of there, and be left with a yummy, low sugar pumpkin simple syrup. I have made my reduced sugar pumpkin spice simple syrup, and I'm gonna add about 3 teaspoons. Now that I've got my shot of espresso, my reduced sugar pumpkin spice simple syrup, I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of maca powder. And I love adding maca powder to my lattes, and here's why. It increases energy, it reduces the symptoms of menopause like hot flashes and hormone imbalance, all that fun stuff that women experience after they hit 50. So I like adding the maca powder wherever I can, and to a latte first thing in the morning is a good place. So I'm just gonna give it a little whisk. Once the maca powder is in, I like to add a tablespoon of coconut oil. You've probably heard me say this in my other lattes. It's so good for you. Antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. It's gonna help boost our immune system, and it will melt nicely into that espresso. Where the hot water comes in, I love adding hot water to my lattes. It makes me feel like I'm having a big, huge latte. Love, love, love my frothed milk. And oh my goodness, look at this latte lusciousness. Milk on the top. So yummy, so fall. Just a little bit of cinnamon. And then I love to add my little edible flower petals. If you make this latte for your girlfriends when they come over, they're gonna love you. They've got maca powder in there to help with hormone issues. We've got coconut oil to boost immunity. We've got reduced sugar pumpkin spice simple syrup. Does it get any better? Here you go, fall in a cup. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.